Hello YouTube, this is my G36c. It's got the grenade launcher on the front with the extended handguard, extended barrel. It's got grenade launcher sight, GMP red dot scope, high cap mags. It's had some internal work, just hop up type bore, and a few Vicks in the gearbox. It's got a MOSFET. It's lipo already, but at the moment I've just got a crappy NiCad in there. The lipos are charging. Video on that later, but just going to show you the fire rate, and that's pretty good. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's a bit better with the lip hose, but yeah, it's good.